Hi everybody, Andrew Cherin, attorney at law here. I'm a Seattle personal injury lawyer and I represent people who are injured in car accidents. Today I want to talk to you about home insurance. A lot of people who are injured in car accidents feel like they can not only go after their own auto insurance of the other person, but also their home insurance policy as well. Unfortunately, that thinking is not correct in Washington State because Washington State has anti-stacking and anti-umbrella laws, which make it so it's impossible for you to go after someone's home insurance. Let alone a lot of home insurance policies have language in it that says that you can't actually, the liability coverage for the home insurance policy will not cover car accident injury cases. So if you injure somebody in a car accident, the home insurance policy is not going to cover those injury liability damages in those situations. So it's not going to step in and it's not going to help pay for those costs, such as medical costs, lost wages, and pain and suffering. So if you're injured in a car accident, you can't personally go after that person's home insurance policy because those policies don't cover in those situations. Now that doesn't mean you can't go after someone's house. You can, in certain situations, go after somebody's assets, and a house is one of those assets. However, you would think that renters or home insurance would cover anybody trying to go after the equity in someone's house, but in a lot of cases it doesn't. It almost never applies. So the insurance policy for someone's home insurance for liability is not going to cover those situations. When is someone's home insurance actually going to cover someone's case? Home insurance generally covers people that are injured by the fault of the homeowner in situations where someone's injured on the premises of the house, so someone slip and falls at the house, a dog bite case where your dog bites or injured someone, where you physically harm someone outside of the car, so um, bike accident, if you're on a bike and you run into somebody and injure them, it's your fault. Or if you physically get in an altercation with somebody and get in a fight with somebody and injure them, and it's your fault, your home insurance policy is going to cover those situations. So those are generally the only situations where your home insurance is actually going to cover a personal injury case such as those things. So if you're injured in a car accident, you can't go after someone's home insurance unless, I guess, if the car accident happened on the premises of the house, and for whatever reason, the homeowner, had some liability for creating a negligence that caused you to become in an accident on the premises, then those situations could go after a home insurance policy. But generally, car accidents are not covered by home insurance policies, so you're not going to be able to go after those policies. If you've been injured in a car accident, you have a lot of options still. And I can walk you through some of those options that you have. My number is 206-850-6716, and I get free consultations. And if you want to visit my website, it's www.lawsharing.com. There's a lot of good information about personal injury subjects just as this and more topics as well.